Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the measures of variation, standard deviation, how to calculate the standard deviation for individual series. So we'll move on to this video. Suppose you have not subscribed for my video, kindly do that. We'll move on to the sum, how to calculate the standard deviation for individual series. Okay. Right. So now, obviously, what is an individual series here? Individual series is nothing but the series which is given without a frequency here. We will take this as x and we will proceed. Okay. Now, what will be the formula for this? So we will be having three formulas here. One is for the population, one is for the sample. Okay. Now, whenever we have the formula, we have n here. Whenever we have the sample, we'll be having n minus 1 here. So this is how we have to use it. For discrete and continuous, we'll be using three types of formulas. One for direct, one for the assumed mean. Another one is for step deviation method. So in this particular sum, we are going to study about what is called the Bessel's correction here. Okay, Bessel correction is nothing but in population, we will be using n. And sample, we are using n minus 1. We'll be doing a separate video for this Bessel's correction, why it is being used, what is the benefit, okay, in the following video. So kindly you can watch for the video which tells about Bessel's correction. Now we will move on to the sum here. So this is the standard deviation sum which is given already. So what I have to do here, first I have to write this particular values here. This particular value will be written here. Okay, so now here it is given as the x bar here. Okay, now I'm going to find out what is x bar. What is x bar? X bar is nothing but mean here. Mean is sigma x by n. For that, I should find out this sigma x. What is this sigma x? I'm going to add all the values of x divided by number of items present here. So we will proceed now. So how to find out? See, I'm going to add this. So I got 70. 70 is my sigma x here. Sigma x is 70. What is n here? I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my n is 7. So I'm going to divide this by 70 by 7. So I'm getting it as 10. 10 is my value for the mean. So now, how to calculate this this column? This column is calculated actually. 4 is there. 4 is there here. So I'm going to show it in a different color. You can see now. See, 4 minus 10 will give you minus 6. Here 6 is there. Okay, now 6 minus 10. Here I have to write 4 minus 10. Here I have to write 6 minus 10. Here 11 minus 10. Here 9 minus 10. Here 17 minus 10. Here 3 minus 10. Here 20 minus 10. That's the value I'm going to calculate, where this 10 is nothing but the value of x bar. X bar is nothing but the mean. So how to calculate this? Now 4 minus 10, I got it as minus 6. Now I'm going to square this 6. Okay, so now 6 square, I'm going to write it as 6 square. 6 square is equal to 36. Similarly, I'm going to have minus 4 square, that's equal to 16. That is what I'm going to write in the next step, right? 16. Now 11 minus 10, 1 square is 1. Similarly, for this 9 minus 10 minus 1 square, it will get 1. 17 minus 10, it's nothing but minus 10 is equal to 7 whole square. Now here also 3 minus 10, that gives you 7 square is nothing but 49. So here 20 minus 10, this is nothing but 10 square. Now what I have to do here, I have to find out the total of this particular column. Okay, now you total this particular column. How much is coming for this total? So then I am using the formula. So how to find out the total? So I'm going to find out the total for this. So here I'm finding out sample standard deviation. So I have taken it for the clarity here. I have not taken it as population standard deviation. I'm omitting here. I'm going to calculate first a sample standard deviation, where this denominator should be n minus 1. So now what is this value? Okay, now where from I have to take this value? So now I have to total all these. Okay, so now I'm going to total that. I'm going to write it here. Now how the total has been calculated already. Already I have calculated this total as 252. I have calculated this total. This total is nothing but sigma x minus x bar, the whole square value. I'm going to substitute here. So once substituted, it is nothing but 252 divided by 6. I'm going to calculate that 252 divided by 6. I'm going to calculate here. Okay. And it just comes around this value, right? So that is root of 42. Now I have to find out the square root of 42. So square root of 42 is 6.48. You can use a simple calculator to find it out. Suppose if you are studying in 10th standard and 11th standard, you have to calculate this using the method by which square root is being found out. Like this, I have to do. Okay. So I'll be doing like this now. 6 or 36. So there is another method of doing it here. 6. Then I am going to take this down here. Then I have to multiply this 6 by 2. So 1. Then I'll be doing this method. But now, as a pharmacy student or the higher standard students, it is you can use your calculator to find out root of 42. Root of 42 will give you 6.48. Okay. Now this is how you will calculate the standard deviation for the individual data in a direct method. Okay. Now for discrete series, watch for next video, right? Watch for next video for discrete. Here we are going to find out 3 methods. One is direct, another one is shortcut. Okay, shortcut. Another one is step deviation method. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.